So somebody was in my comment section asking me to show her how I am able to add comedy sounds to my video. You can create your personal comedy sounds, but in this video, I'm not teaching you how you can create your personal comedy sounds. I'm going to show you how you can add comedy sounds to your video. I think I've done this thing before. I think I've done this tutorial before, but nevertheless, join me. Let me show you how you can add comedy sounds to your video. Okay guys, let's go. So today I will teach you two different methods on how you can add comedy sounds to your video. Take for instance, this is my CapCut, the video I want to add comedy sounds on. Yeah, so if you saw a video online and you like the comedy sound, what you have to do is just to download it. So after downloading the video on any social media platform, what you will do is click on audio, then you click on extract. When you click on extract, that same video you downloaded that have that sound that you liked, what you just have to do, maybe let me use this one as the video. This is the video I downloaded online. As you see now, the sound has been extracted. So the same thing that is playing here will be playing in your video. What you just have to do now is to now mute the sound of your video so it does not interfere. It does not interfere with that sound you went to download, you went to extract from another video. So the second method will be, you have to download Comedy Sounds. This app, download it from your Play Store, Comedy Sounds. So let me open Comedy Sounds. So let me play it. Let me play this one. Let me see like anyone you like, they play. Once you download, it has been downloaded to your you go to sound again. This is the second method though. I'm done with the first method. You click on audio, then you click on sound. When you click on sound, you click on your file manager. Yeah, then you come here from your device. That's where you downloaded the sound to. From your device, it will download, it will scan a bit. My device is opened. Yeah, so you type Morife. This is the one I downloaded. So you play it to be sure that your addition sign. So let's take out the first one so it doesn't confuse you. So let's play. I have imported the sound we downloaded using for Comedy Sounds. So I hope these two methods I taught you now, you will put it in good use. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.